Friends, this is going to be the best and the most powerful video yet. One that will make the strongest comeback in your life, and you will not remain the same as before. There comes a time in everyone's life when they need a strong comeback the most. For us personally, that time was the year 2017, which we consider the biggest turning point of our lives. At that time, we had almost lost all hope. After that, we made such a comeback that everyone who knew us was shocked. Even today, they wonder how we achieved so much in such a short time. What took us only a few years to accomplish might take them a lifetime. And for you, time for a comeback is now. At this very moment, while you are watching this video. This is one of the most valuable videos we have ever made. The tools and principles we use to transform from a procrastinator to a well-disciplined and financially successful person will be shared with you in just the next few minutes. No off-topic discussion, no nonsense or bullshit advice, just pure practical gold value. We will tell you 3 steps that will enable you to make the strongest comeback in your life. By the end of this video, you will learn something that 99% of people fail at when trying to make a comeback. Something most other YouTube channels don't tell you, which will prevent you from making the same mistake repeatedly. So, let's start with number 1. Do the opposite of what 99% of people are doing. We always remember this quote from Jim Rohn. In order to become the 1%, do what the 99% are not doing. Simply put, start doing the opposite of what the majority of people around you are doing. Do you believe you haven't achieved anything significant in your life yet? That your dreams and goals are still unfulfilled, and though you want to see them come true, you feel unmotivated and procrastinate when it comes to working on them? Do you know the core reason for this? You have given yourself options. Changing yourself and achieving your goals is an option. A want, something that doesn't matter much if it doesn't happen. You won't stop living. Life will go on. There's no hurry. Look around at the 99% of people. What are they doing? They are living just like this. Everyone has dreams and aspirations. Everyone wants to become something, achieve something, make their parents proud, travel the world, and do a lot more. But 99% of people do nothing about it. You know why? Because they join the crowd of people who once taunted them. Those taunts lower their confidence so much that they think they have goals. Taking action seems very difficult. Don't be offended, but you are not the only one with big dreams. Every other young person wants success and money in life. Now ask yourself, what makes you different? What are you doing to achieve everything you want? What have you proven so far that will shut people's mouths? We know we are saying some very harsh things. What can we do? This is the reality, but there's no need to lose hope because of this. Instead, use this negativity as fuel. Think about every person who tried to bring you down. Those relatives who tried to belittle your parents too. Those who talk behind your back saying, he can only talk big, he can't achieve anything. Those same people who mock you. Don't ignore these words. It hurts to hear them, but let it. These words will work as a strong reason. Understand it as constructive revenge. You have to become successful to silence all these people. This will force you to take the right action. This reason will make changing your life not an option but a necessity. Chasing your goal won't be a desire but a need. Create a mindset. I will achieve it, or I will die trying. People will advise you not to take revenge or seek success to get back at anyone. We are not talking about that kind of revenge. We are talking about constructive revenge, where you grow. Promise yourself that you will either experience success or die achieving it. But never settle for mediocrity. Once you have this mindset, listen to what you need to do next. Focus only on these 2 things. Your comeback will happen in 2 areas that will make people say and make you see that you have truly changed. The first is your fitness, and the second is your money. In short, your overall power. People will talk nonsense, but believe it or not, until you have these 2 things, no big change comes in your life. If you can't earn money right now, excel in your studies. And if you can earn money along with studying, start a side income. Or begin learning a skill that will enable you to earn in some time. A skill that will make you financially independent. Imagine someone who was weak and fragile, but now he has become powerful and physically attractive. or someone who disappears for a few months or years and comes back with a strong financial condition. When you become physically fit and financially strong, the best daily routine in the world is the one you create for yourself. People say you should live a balanced life, focusing equally on happiness, relationships, health, and wealth. This is correct, but only after your comeback. Otherwise, you will keep making the same mistake as the 99% people by dividing your focus into 10 different things, doing unnecessary hard work. We have tracked everything ourselves and are telling you this. Now comes the most important part of this video. This will decide whether you will make a comeback or not. If you make the same mistake as others, you will definitely fail. The brutal truth of the process. This is not the first time you are thinking of changing your life. You must have watched many such videos but still has changed. Do you know why this happens? Because of these 5 phases. Whenever you watch something like this, you enter a phase called Phase 1, uninformed optimism, where everything seems possible. You become overly optimistic and positive, but when you take the first action, you start feeling immediate discomfort and enter Phase 2, informed pessimism. Here you realize that what you thought was not so easy. It involves a lot of pain. Taking action against your mind and body gives you physical and mental discomfort. But somehow, you keep moving forward day by day with your willpower, enduring this pain. But then a time comes when you give up and reach Phase 3, Valley of Despair. You wonder why some people progress so much. Where does their discipline come from? How do they achieve greatness? The reason is that they do not quit in this phase. So far, you are relying on your willpower. But when that also ends, you have no option but to give up because the mental pain has increased so much and you start missing your old, enjoyable, comfortable life. Distractions also surround you from all sides, and you give up. But those who get past this phase do so because of a strong reason pushed them to start this in the first place. If that reason is very strong, you will pass this phase and reach Phase 4, informed optimism. Your initial optimism and positivity will return, but this time it won't be just from hearing someone. It will be due to your own hard work and struggle. In this phase, you will feel proud of yourself for not giving up, and you will start seeing clear results, even if small. You will continue on this path and reach the last phase, Phase 5, success and fulfillment. This is the point where all your goals and aims will come true. You will reach your destination. You will feel happier and more satisfied than ever before. This will be the best phase of your life. Believe me, the joy of achieving success is far greater than all the pain and sacrifices you will experience on this journey. Every pain, every sacrifice will be worth it. People only tell you about the results and show you the dream of achievement. But no one tells you about the journey. And this uncertainty makes you think of giving up at the first setback. But when this entire journey is clear to you, you actually know where you will feel pain, where you will feel good, and how you will reach the result. Your mind will be prepared in advance. So when you reach the Valley of Despair, you know it's just a phase, and you have to endure it. This phase will pass, and only good things will follow. I will make the strongest comeback of my life. So, if you liked this video, like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.